In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a desktop background in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by opening the folder that contains the image that you want to use as your desktop wallpaper. This could be inside your Pictures folder, Downloads folder, or any other location on your computer. Once you find the picture you want, right-click on the image file. From the menu that appears, click Set as Desktop Background. Windows will instantly apply the image as your wallpaper, and you'll immediately see the change on your desktop. If you want more customization options, go to an empty area on your desktop and right-click anywhere on the screen. From the menu, click Personalize. This will open the Personalization Settings window where you can manage themes, wallpapers, and desktop appearance settings. Inside Personalization, click Themes if you want to apply a complete desktop style. Themes can automatically change your wallpaper, colors, sounds, and other visual settings together. Browse through the available themes and click on one to apply it. If you prefer to manually customize your wallpaper, click Background instead. Under the section labeled Personalize Your Background, click the drop-down menu. You'll now see several background options. Choose Picture if you want to use a single image as your wallpaper. Choose Solid Color if you prefer plain background color. Choose Slideshow if you want Windows to rotate through multiple images automatically. Or select Windows Spotlight if you want Windows to display curated wallpapers that change automatically over time. If you selected Slideshow, you can customize how often the wallpaper changes. Choose intervals like 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or other available timing options. Next, you'll scroll down until you find Choose a Fit for your desktop image. Here you can select how the wallpaper appears on your screen. Available options include Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, and Span. Click through the different fit styles and choose the one that looks best on your display. Once your selections are complete, Windows 11 will automatically apply the background and appearance settings without needing to restart your computer. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.